Hey guys, this is Roman with Deer Park Farmstead. We've got a few additions to the flock. Some newbies that we're still going to be learning about, and so it's more exciting times and adventures to come with these new birds. So let's get right into our new birds. All right, check it out. We got an Americana rooster. And so what we have inside this area are the Americanas and the Royal Palm turkeys. So we're going to, since the Americanas are extremely gentle and they get along with the turkeys. They get along with the turkeys really well. Hank is, he would just really be aggressive, but this rooster is pretty chill and really cool and extremely beautiful. So really liking him, and he already pulled a Houdini, so got out the first night, so we are calling him Houdini, and haven't named the other one, but our incubator is on its way, so we're going to be doing some Americana eggs as well as the Maran eggs. So those are the two right now that we're going to be concentrating on to breed, because obviously we have both roosters for those birds. So that's the game plan for these, and then we have some more birds on the other side over here. These are new to us. We're going to be learning about these other ones, so check it out. Really happy about these ones. All right, there they are, the Cayuga ducks. Got a drake and a hen. So we'll see about breeding these as well and getting some eggs. We had this little pool for them. They haven't really taken advantage of it. So we'll see how they are. Noticing that the drake has a limp. We got these ducks for free. So we didn't notice the limp until this morning. So we'll just keep an eye on that. We nursed that other hen, that its foot back, and it's 100% now. We can't even tell which bird that the leghorn, the brown leghorn, that was injured. It's like perfectly normal again. So that worked out well. So hopefully this drake, we can get it back into shape. Poor guy. I didn't know what happened to him. So along with the Americana rooster, we got another Americana hen. She's really cool. So they're kind of partners already, as far as them getting along. So it was kind of a twofer. And we got a screaming deal for the rooster. The Americana, we got a speckled Sussex that we're keeping as well. It's over here someplace, I believe. And there's the speckled Sussex. Really beautiful looking bird. You don't find these usually in the heritage type thing. You have to special order these birds usually, so you can't find them, like locally or anything like that. So, got another floating pine cone in the netting. But yes, this is a really cool breed. Another light pink egg. So really excited to have that. As you can see, they'll get along quite well. The turkeys. There's our bourbon red. He's such a cool looking rooster. Beautiful colors. When I saw him, I was like, yes! That is such a cool looking rooster. Look at all those colors. So we're still determining all the different sexes for these, for the palms, the royal palms. But we still think it's half and half. So we lucked out. Really cool stuff. Really happy to see the ducks just getting along. I think they kind of intimidate the chickens, so that's going to be new to see how they get along with the rest of the flock. Isn't this a pretty bird? So there you have it on our flock update. Got one of the buffs. She's a noisy one. So pretty excited with the new flock update, and we'll see. I'll give you an update on how they're all getting along. Already noticed that the duck poop is quite large, so that's fun. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.